Hey guys, what's up? AT Max 4's Pest Control. So we're out here on top of a roof and essentially having a bunch of bird issues. Like they got like dead birds like right in there. They got a bunch of bird poop right in there. Having a lot of issues with birds kind of getting in that section right along there. So essentially they do have some dead birds in there. But what has happened here is that they've tried treating it and hasn't been working. So we got called out and said, hey, you know what, can you guys help us out with this problem? And we said, absolutely. So one of the issues that they had is they were having birds that were getting in to these small little crevices underneath the AC units, and try to cover them up, weren't successful. But while trying to cover them up, they didn't do a cleanup, so birds can still smell what's around there. So they were actually still getting in there and obviously causing a mess. And this is just like all over the roof, as you can see. So definitely some ways of how to control birds. Got to get rid of the colony, got to get rid of the established birds. Wash everything off really super good, block everything off super really good. Start certain programs like a baiting program, like a trapping program, essentially to get rid of those birds. So we got super beautiful skies out here in Yuma, Arizona right now. Like, wow, super cool. Just wanted to come out, show you a little bit of what we're doing this afternoon, waiting for the sun to go down a little bit, and we were able to come out. So got some beautiful skies back there. AT Max 4's Pest Control wanted to chime in on one of the projects that we're doing right now. So FYI.